Hi. So, I do realize I owe you guys a video for the new car. I'm still editing it. It's like 2 hours of footage and I'm so lazy, but I guess long story short, no more RSX. Got an S2000. I'll talk about it in that video. But for this video, my boyfriend bought me my dream steering wheel. It's the Vertex Racing Black Market wheel, and I've wanted it since high school. And so he got it for me. But the only problem is I don't have the horn wired up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, at least on this car. Maybe it'll give you a better idea. I saw a thread on, I think it was S2000, so I'll link it down below so you guys can follow along with that one. But the weird thing is the Vertex wheel, the horn button only has one of these little prongs. So on the NRG one, it has two little guys, so you can put the ground. And so for like the last 20 minutes, I've been staring at this trying to figure out how to put the ground, and I found a way to ghetto rig it. But, or maybe that's the way you're supposed to do it. I don't know. But I'm going to show you guys how to hook up the horn, at least for an S2000. I think all Hondas are pretty similar, at least of like the early 2000s era. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I already took off some stuff, so let me show you. First things first, if you haven't already, disconnect your battery. Just take the negative terminal. Sorry, I'm taking off the end of the quick release. But weird people walking by. Disconnect your battery, because whenever you do anything electrical, you don't want to create a short in your system or fry something or shock yourself. But I think I'm more concerned about the car than me at this point. So I already had a quick release on this. I didn't wire up the horn. So I have an NRG quick release on the NRG short hub, and I had a Momo steering wheel on it for a hot minute until I got this one. I'm just taking off everything now because on your NRG short hub adapter, you're supposed to have a little contraption that kind of looks like this. And then you can just take another wire and hook it up right here with the little thing you just get from O'Reilly. Wire, any sort of wire, as long as it's a little small one. You don't want anything too big. And then I'm kind of a piece of garbage. My electrical teacher made this for me when I was wiring up some stuff in his class. So it's a piece of wire and then this little bit on it. If not, if you don't know how to make that, because I don't even know how to make that, you can totally just splice into your wiring harness itself. So I'll show you guys what wire that is. But until then, I have to take off all this stuff and I'll show you what it looks like. So once your steering wheel is off, you take this little buddy and you kind of just put it here. You're going to line it up when you put the other thing on. And then with your wiring, for these cars, it's going to be the orange wire. So as you see, it's an open one and then it's the second one. So if you look at it, it's going to be an open one right here, and then it's going to be that second one right there, and then you can slide that little pin into there. Or if you don't have one, go ahead and open this up, and then you can slice the orange one. I'd probably slice it around here just in case you have to rewire it again. If you cut it down here, you're going to screw yourself over later if you ever want to go back to stock. So you put this guy on, plug that in, and then you take this part, and then you slide it back over, and then everything else. I think you guys know how to do it. If not, there's like a million other videos on it. Look, I'm holding this with my knee for you guys. So you take this part, you line it up. Mine was a little bit off center to the left because of the way I was trying to unloosen things. Take your bolt and put it back in there. This is so awkward with the way I'm holding things. There we go. And then make sure you guys make it super tight because this is your steering and you don't want to mess with your steering. For me to kind of show you how to hook up the Vertex horn button, I kind of have to make the camera face me because I need both hands. So you take the one that you have and you slide it on there because that is your positive. Oh my god, easier said than done. Okay, it's on there. And then I took this part. And see that little hole up there where the spring is? You can use that spring as a negative. So I'm just going to shove it in there. And it kind of clicks in anyways. I'm not sure how I'm going to shove this in the hole. But, I mean, it fits other than that. Alright. Okay.